How you doing? This is Greg Glemser from Doylestown Gold Exchange and Jewelers, and today I want to talk to you about silver, and specifically going to talk to you about investing in silver as a way to preserve your wealth and keep the value of your dollar. Many of you know all the services that we do. We buy gold and silver, we do jewelry repair, we do custom pieces, and we buy coins. But the growing part of our business that we see right now is people coming in and asking to us, what is this whole investing in silver? And why are people buying physical gold and silver? And it's our job to give you some information so that you can make a good decision on whether this is a type of investment that you want to do. Over the years, people definitely noticed that gold and silver have risen in price. And the main reason for that is that this dollar in your pocket is basically being devalued. As we print more of these dollars, the less valuable each one becomes. And there's one example that really opened my eyes to really understand how silver and gold can be a way to store and protect your wealth. If we go back and look into the 1960s, prior to 1964, you had silver quarters, half dollars, and also dimes. These were made of 90% silver. Now, if we go back to 1964, when we put in our pocket a $1 bill and a silver quarter. Now, this $1 bill back then could probably buy you 4 gallons of gas. That's great. $1, 4 gallons, that sounds like a great bargain today. Back then, this quarter could probably buy you 1 gallon of gas. So back then, there was a ratio of basically 4 to 1. $1 for here, and if you had 4 quarters, you know, the value for that gallon of gas. Now, if we fast forward to today, and you had these two pieces in your pocket for the past 40 or 50 years and came into our store, the first thing you'll notice is this could buy you 4 gallons of gas 40 years ago. Today, as the price has risen, this $1 can't even buy you basically a quarter of a gallon of gas with gas prices at almost $4. But if you walk into our store today with a silver quarter, this one's actually from 1959, I'm going to give you $4 for this quarter. So let's look back at our example. In 64, you could buy 4 gallons of gas with this dollar, and then you could buy 1 gallon of gas with this quarter. Now today, this quarter will still buy you a gallon of gas, whereas this dollar cannot. So basically, if you had your money in silver, such as a quarter or investment grade bullion, it preserves. So today, in 2013, when you cash it in, you can buy the same thing today as you could in 1964. And if you start to think about that for a minute, it really is a little bit crazy, but it also makes a lot of sense. Now, people come in every day and ask, how do I do this? There's many different ways that you can invest in silver. One of the most popular ways is what they call the old junk silver. A new customer called it constitutional silver to give it a little bit more of a flair, which I kind of like. But these quarters and dimes and half dollars we sell. This is our new 1 ounce silver American Eagle coin. This is 0.999 fine silver. Today it's worth about $35. These are silver bars, Johnson Matthey, and again, these are 0.999 fine silver. Another way of investing. You can buy these individually. We sell them in blocks of 10 or more, depending on what your budget might be. And just to show you another example, this is a gold panda coin. This today is worth about $1,600. So these are some of the different forms that you can invest your money in today. And the main thing it all comes back to is that the paper in our pocket is losing value every day. It used to say to the bearer of this certificate, you could go into a bank and get silver for this. But since we went off the gold standard and have nothing backing this paper except our faith in this paper, it has gone down in value every single year. And I think most people can understand when they go to the grocery store or they're getting a check where they used to have an extra few $100. Nowadays, no matter what you make, that few $100 is now down to dollars in your pocket extra. So if you're thinking of investing in silver or just want to have some questions answered, we have been investing in metals ourselves for 20 plus years. We have expertise, and we can give you some knowledge and advice of what we do and what our buyers do. And then you can go on your own and research so you can come to a decision that works best for you. So if you are interested, please come down and visit us at our location in Cross Keys. You can visit us on other outlets. Our website is doylestowngoldexchange.com. You can visit our Facebook page, Doylestown Gold Exchange. You can also follow us at Twitter on @DTownGold. So there's many different ways to get in touch with us and come down and meet with us to find out what this gold and silver thing is all about. You see people selling it and getting rid of it, but now there's a lot of people that are buying it. That's the real thing to find out and truly understand so you can protect your wealth. So 40 or 50 years from now, you can say in 2050, boy, I can buy the same thing today as I did in 2013. You'll probably be very happy with the investment that you did. So this is Greg from the Doylestown Gold Exchange. Thank you again for your time, and we look forward to seeing you soon, and have a great day.